Within an ecosystem, organisms can be categorised into two groups, specialists and generalists. Generalists are the species that can live in a wide range of environmental conditions and utilise a wide range of resources. For example, generalists may be able to tolerate a wide range of temperatures or have a varied diet. Specialists are the opposite. They can only survive within a narrow range of parameters. For example, some plants may be reliant on a certain amount of rainfall, or an animal may feed exclusively on one species. They have a specialised ecological niche. Because specialists are adapted to more specific conditions than generalists, they do not cope well with environmental change, and they are more likely to go extinct. Generalists cope better because they can adapt when the environment changes. The advantage that specialists do have is that they can compete much better with other species because they are highly adapted to their niche, whereas generalists are easily outcompeted. Koala bears are a specialist species because they almost exclusively eat eucalyptus. If the eucalyptus was to become extinct, then it is likely that the koala would also become extinct. Humans are a generalist species because we eat almost anything. To summarise, generalists adapt easily and they tolerate environmental change. They survive in a wide range of environmental conditions and they can utilise a large selection of resources and habitats, but they are easily outcompeted. Specialists, on the other hand, are more vulnerable to extinction because they don't tolerate environmental change. They have a specialised ecological niche, so are well suited to a narrow range of conditions, and they are really great competitors.